Hey guys, as you can see now, I have my RAM open, uh, my RAM cloud open on my RAM Studio, and this is the default. So all I'll just do is come here, and then I can click on open. Now once you click on open, it's going to open this part of you. Now it shows an empty. This is our database node. It shows it empty. Okay, and then this is a display of my phone. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to open the application. Note it. Okay, now I'm going to add an author. Okay, so I'm going to put my name as an author and click on save. Creating new author, please wait. Okay, so in order for us to add this, I said this is my first note I am creating using the awesome Note It application. Okay, so once I'm ready, I click on save, and then I'll just say first note. Alright, so note save. So immediately this goes to my RAM cloud update server. Okay, as you can see it straight away, it does that. And then for us to also check the login functionality, that's if the user is already logged in and author, you don't have to enter your author name all over again. So I'll just close the application, then I'll run it again. Okay, so because I'm logged in, it just came directly here. It didn't have to take me back to the login page. So I'll just enter another note and say this is my second note that I am creating. Okay, so I'll save and then set the title to second note. Save it. Immediately it saves here. So if I want to log out, I'll just log out here. Okay, so it takes me back, so I can input another author, say Ebenezer edit, and then I would save it and create a new author, please wait. So I can create a new note. This is the third test note. Alright, so I can save and say third. And immediately, now what this helps is that it shows it helps data synchronization now. Okay, so if I move to another device, all I just have to do is log in with the same username using the RAM nickname configuration, and then immediately I can pull down my node. So in the next tutorial, okay, we're going to be pulling down this node, and then we're going to be showing them in a recycler view using the adapter, RAM adapter, and then from there we're going to be advancing this Note It application. So guys, thank you.